Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Just 2 drops of this anti-aging facial gel at night on your skin will help to clear your skin of wrinkles, fine lines, boost collagen production in the skin. It will also help to lift, tighten and firm the skin. Now as we age, our skin produces less elastin, less collagen, less protein, and this in turn causes our skin to get wrinkles and fine lines. This is however a part of the aging process. We cannot stop it, but we can help to slow it down, or we can prevent our skin from aging prematurely or aging rather quickly. I personally use this gel to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines on my skin. It contains antioxidants that are known to help to tighten, firm the skin and reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Along with using this facial gel, I suggest that you do a facial massage at least 2 to 3 times per week if you want to have your skin looking up to 20 years younger. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to show you how to make this gel, and I'm also going to share some tips on how to use it on your face to have your skin looking radiant, spotless and clear in no time. So what are you waiting for? Let's get in the kitchen and start to whip this up, and at the end of the video I'll show you how to apply it to your skin. To make this facial gel, you're going to need a small bowl. You're going to need some measuring spoon, a tablespoon, a teaspoon and a dash. Our first ingredient is a vegetable glycerine, and vegetable glycerine will help to hydrate the skin, moisturize the skin. I'm also using it as a preservative, and I'm using 1 teaspoon of the vegetable glycerine. Our next ingredient is rose water, and this rose water, they use distilled water, and that's what I like about it. Rose water also will help to hydrate the skin. We're also using 1 teaspoon of the rose water. Pour this in with our vegetable glycerine. Let's mix the two together. Rose water, vegetable glycerine. Our next ingredient is honey, and I'm using raw honey. Honey contains moisturizing properties that will help to smooth the skin. It also has antibacterial properties that will help to get rid of acne-prone skin. It also will help to smooth wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. I'm using 1 teaspoon of the honey, and I'm adding this to the bowl with our vegetable glycerine and rose water. Make sure to scoop everything out. And we're going to give this a stir. So we're mixing vegetable glycerine, honey, and rose water. We're mixing well. Completely dissolve the honey, and this have a very pleasant fragrance. Our next ingredient is aloe vera gel, and this one is 95% aloe vera gel. We also have my other aloe vera gel, which is 100% pure aloe vera gel. I'm going to use this one today, and I'm using 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, and I'm pouring this in. Also make sure to get everything out of the spoon. Aloe vera gel will help to hydrate and moisturize the skin. Now we are going to blend the aloe vera gel. Blend well. Totally dissolve. And we're mixing vegetable glycerine, rose water, honey, and aloe vera gel. Very serum-y like. And this is exactly how we need it to be. And now guys, take a look at this. Once everything is completely dissolved, let's pour our gel in. Make sure to get everything out. And this is it, guys. All you need is 2 drops. Apply 2 drops on your skin at night and wake up with spotless skin. So here we have our anti-aging facial gel. And to use this facial gel, all you need is just 2 drops and clean skin at night. So I'm just gonna take my spoon, just 2 drops. And this is good enough. 2 drops. And just press it on the skin. Smells so good. Don't forget to take this down on your neck and décolleté. Just press it in the skin. Your jawline. And you're gonna get a little gummy feel. That's exactly how you want it. That's what's gonna help to keep the skin tight and firm. And that's it, guys. Just 2 drops on your skin at night and wake up the next day with amazing. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching, guys. This is such an amazing facial gel. However, don't take my word for it. Go in your kitchen, whip it up, and use it on your skin. Give the remedy a chance to work on the skin. Make sure your skin is clean before you apply it, and before you know it, you're on your way to younger looking skin with just 2 drops on your skin every night. Now, guys, we have merchandise. If you look at the side or you look below the video, you're going to notice some merchandise. If you want to support our channel, go ahead and purchase our merchandise. Also, if this was your first time watching and you have not yet subscribed, the word subscribe is below in red. Just click on it, you will be subscribed. Also at the side, there's a little bell. If you want to know exactly when I post a video, click on that little bell, turn on post notification on your phone from YouTube, and you will receive a notification as soon as I upload the video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video with another amazing skincare tips just for you.